What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Weeboy. If you'd like to help out the channel and get 2 free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Sain, and if you're new here, I make videos on personal finance and how to invest and build wealth through the stock market. I started this Robinhood challenge for 2 reasons. Number 1, I wanted to simplify investing for those that wanted to invest but didn't quite know how. And number 2, I wanted to show you guys in real time the companies that I invested in to grow my portfolio from $0 to 10K, and then eventually from 10K to 100K. So feel free to join me on the journey by grabbing some free stock using my link below, or sit back and watch. Either way, I appreciate you. Today's video, guys, is about the stocks to buy this week. Guys, I want to put you up on game, but more importantly, I want to give you guys some instructions and some guidance on what we need to really be doing this week, in addition to the stocks that we might pick up this week. Okay, so guys, without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Please get your pen and paper out. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, because I got a good one for you today. Okay, guys, as you can see, my portfolio is currently sitting at $51,756.47 on the day. Not much is going on. On the week, guys, we are down 4%. Check out how much 4% equals in a portfolio this size. On the month, we are up over 3.5%. If I take you guys 3 months out, we are up over 7.5%. If I take you guys out 1 year, even though we haven't had this account 1 year yet, we are up over 17%. And if I take you guys out all time, again, guys, we are up over 17%. Hey, man, if you're new here, I started this account in January with $0. I come on here each and every day and show you guys how to properly build a portfolio. Again, I show you how to do it as a new and beginning investor with very little money. So you don't have to have $50,000 to start a portfolio. You can start like me with just $500 every 2 weeks to build our way up. I'll show you guys every step of the way, the jewels of the game, to make sure that you guys are dominating in the stock market. Listen, guys, today I want to talk to you guys about stocks to consider buying this week, but more importantly, I want to show you guys what you should be doing with your portfolio, especially if the market is down again tomorrow. Guys, today I'm going to talk about Revolve Group, ticker symbol RVLV. It's currently sitting at $20.78. In addition to me telling you guys a few stocks to consider this week, this is what I really need you to do. Please open up your brokerage account, look at the stocks you currently have in your portfolio, and do these 2 things that I'm about to show you guys. As you can see, I have 40 shares with an average cost of $8.67. Look at my total return on this. I am up over 100%, almost 140% in this play. This is a small example of what you guys can do on a larger scale. I could have put 5,000 in this play. I could have put 10,000. I could have put 20,000 or 50,000 and had 140% return. I'm just giving you guys the game for you new and beginner investors to know that you can mimic what I do at a very small level to get these type of results. Now check this out. When you guys are buying stocks, check out my average cost. Only add to your positions in the stocks that you hold. So open your brokerage accounts, look at your portfolio. Only add to your positions during this dip and this little small correction if the price of the stock market tomorrow is at or below your average cost. So a quick example for me, only way that I would add to Revolve Group tomorrow when the stock market is open throughout the day, throughout the week, it doesn't matter, is if Revolve Group, which is currently $20.78, drops to $8.67. When you're talking about building out your position and you're adding to your position, you don't want to mess up your gain. So if I was to add to this play right now at $20, even though I taught you guys about averaging up, we're not going to do this in this one. This is what I want to show you guys about how to manage your portfolio the right way. With this particular play, if I add at $20, I would be raising my average cost from $8 to around $12. Then I would no longer be up almost 140%. However, if this stock tomorrow, for whatever reason, is at $8.67 or below, then I will add another 60 shares to this particular play. with the stocks that you have for this week, this is what I want you guys to do based on whatever the stock market do. We always have a game plan for if it does this or if it does that. If it's down tomorrow, guys, we are adding and building out our positions in stocks we already have. Guys, I already told you guys a number of home run level stocks. And so we don't have to chase all of these new IPOs and every new stock that comes out. We can be building out our position in ones we currently have, especially if they are at our average cost. On the flip side, this is what I want you guys to do. If you're up in any stock, I told you guys Tesla's going to go to 700, Workhorse going to go to 30, Neo will go to 30. This is what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to put a trailing stop loss. So I'm going to lock in my profits with Revolve Group, almost $500, guys. That's a lot we can do with $500. Imagine all the stocks that we can buy when we catch them at $5 and $7 with $500. Okay, you get your nice position established at that level. I'm going to lock in my profits and make sure that as I know Revolve Group will continue to go up, I want to go up with the stock. But what I want to do is lock in my profits with a trailing stop loss, and this is how you do that. Okay, guys, you're going to hit trade, and then you want to hit sell. Okay, and then you want to hit this drop down bar. All right, and then you want to go to trailing stop order. And like I taught you guys yesterday and in previous videos way back when, you want to put a 5% stop loss in on this. All right, now mind you, the trailing part is the game changer. If this stock tomorrow shoots to $30, I'll trail the stock all the way up to 30. And so my 5%, you see, it will sell at 1974 for me. I will lock in all my profit. And again, at 1974, I will be cashing out. However, if this stock shoots to $30, then I will be cashing out at $29. If that makes sense, it trails whatever the next high price the stock goes to. This is why I talked to you guys about we don't have to chase. Okay. And so on the flip side, if you're not averaging down or adding to your position and you're up like I'm up in these plays, then I want you to slap this 5% boy on your stocks. I told you yesterday you can also do 10%. Check out what 10% looks like, guys. So in the event that tomorrow was to crash for whatever reason, I told you I'm up 140% in this play. I would lock in my profits at 1870 and still walk away making a killing in Revolve Group. Again, think about this if we was doing this with 5,000, 10,000, 15, 20, $50,000, okay? Because I can easily do that. I'm just walking you guys through how to do it with a small account and as a new and beginning investor. Listen, guys, I hope that was helpful. Tomorrow is all about averaging down in your position and building out firmly in your current positions, and or if you're up big like I am, even in a recession, even in a correction, and even in a pullback, you guys can slap this trailing stop loss onto your stock so that you make sure that you insulate yourself and mitigate any losses that you might take if the market continues to dip. Listen, man, I hope that was helpful. I hope you guys appreciate this game. Next up, guys, we have our word of the day, and our word of the day is limit order. Guys, I want to talk to you about a limit order because it's a little bit different than a trailing stop loss. It's important that you guys understand every cent and every dollar matters. There's a reason why I tell you guys we are buying a stock or we are selling a stock at a certain price down to the cent. If I was to show you guys how the degrees of separation in terms of what 1 or 2 cents make in a stock, you guys will be amazed to see, man, buying that stock at 1540 or buying that stock at 1550 made a huge difference versus buying it at 1539. Again, we don't want to get caught up in the nuance and chasing every single play like that, but it's important to understand the power and the importance of setting a limit order so that you have a clean portfolio, so that your average cost is at amounts and at price points that when it doubles, if you have a stock at 750, it's easy to know when it's at $15, that's when you double your money, versus when it's you gotta wait till it's 1567 for your money to double or something like that. Okay, so I'm just giving you guys something to think about in terms of making sure you also place limit orders on your buys and your sales. Okay, lock in profits both ways, on both ends of it, when you selling and when you guys are buying. Next up, guys, we have our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from Royal Hype. He says, Chris, thanks for the quick response. I'm 21 and just started investing. I'm really starting to fall in love with the process. Grateful for your videos, man. Keep up the good work. Royal Hype, man, I thank you for sending this in. And as another youngin, man, I salute you, and I am encouraged by the fact that you are already diving in, investing at such an early age. Listen, guys, if you follow me, it takes me 9 years to help you guys become retired, and I can do it even faster in terms of helping you guys become millionaires. He's 21 years old. If I was to put the full court press on him right now, I can make sure that by the time he's 30, he's out the game and living his best life. I salute all you young guys, and I salute each and every one of you, no matter what your age is, for just embracing investing. I told you guys for the longest time we've been playing the wrong game. We haven't, as a people, as a community, haven't even been investing in the right way, involved in the game at all, to make a difference for our families and to start building generational wealth. So again, Royal Hype, I thank you, man. I salute you. I want to encourage you to keep up the good work. One thing that I love most about this, though, he said he's falling in love with the process. Guys, the sooner you can fall in love with the process, the sooner that you get out of looking for instant gratification and just fall in love with researching stocks, studying CEOs, studying the balance sheet, the profit and loss statements, the cash revenue, debts, and the liabilities. The sooner you fall in love with the process of investing, guys, it will change your world. You will even run your own businesses better, because you will now understand how Amazon does what they do, how Tesla does what they do. You understand good quality businesses and what makes them good quality businesses, or as I call them on this channel, proven winners. So listen, guys, fall in love with the process. I often tell people I don't have a secret sauce. I'm just consistent in everything that I do. I don't care what it is. I don't care what lane it is. I'm just consistent. And I notice over time, consistency beats out everything else and everybody else. Again, I'm not better. I'm just different. Same for you guys. We're not better. We're just different. We're trying to get to the bag, and we're trying to run it up as efficient as we can. Listen, guys, if you have comments below, make sure you leave them and I'll add them to my next video. Guys, I make videos like this every day. So if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.